Have you ever wondered, when was my iPhone actually manufactured? Whether you're checking for warranty purposes or just curious about your device's origins, I'm here to show you exactly how to find out. In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your iPhone's manufacture date in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. From iOS 17.4, you can quickly find when your iPhone has been manufactured. Head to the Settings app. Tap on Battery. Now tap on Battery Health. You will see the option Manufacture Date. This is the date you are interested in. On the same page, you can also see the maximum capacity of your battery and its health. Here are some tips to make the most of this information. Always verify the manufacture date if you're buying a second-hand iPhone to ensure it matches the seller's claims. If your phone is close to its warranty expiration, consider purchasing AppleCare for extended coverage. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to find out when your iPhone was manufactured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other iPhone questions you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.